Hi, I'm Kim Goyette. Today, we're going to be talking about how to elevate your vibration within your whole entire body so that you can live and exist in a really wonderful, beautiful state. And the highest vibration that we can reside at is the state of gratitude. So this is going to be a gratitude meditation.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So gently close your eyes and start to find your breath entering and leaving your nose. Calming your system and just tuning in to how you're feeling in this moment. Noticing the rise and fall of the chest. The rhythm of your heartbeat. Lengthening the inhale and the exhale. And we're going to begin to bring our awareness to the very center point of our heart. Just noticing that pinpoint right at the center of your being. And visualizing that as pure white light. This is the light of gratitude. Feeling that sensation in your body, that high vibrational state. Just noticing all the things that you have to be grateful for. And bringing that right into the center of your heart. Beautiful relationships in your life. Access to resources like quality food and water. Love and connection. Opportunities. Abundance in all forms. Financial wealth. Support. Safety. Community. Friends. Family. Starting to say to yourself, I am so grateful. And just noticing where that energy resides in your body. I am so grateful for all the abundance in my life. And feeling that energy at the center point of your heart, on your next inhale, expand that sensation, that high vibrational state, out to every cell of your being. On an exhale, softening. Inhale, inviting that sense of appreciation and gratitude out to the edges of your skin, filling up your whole body. Exhale, just receiving and softening. Continue with every inhale, really filling up the space within your container, full of gratitude, this high vibrational state. And really tuning in to that pure sense of gratitude for all the abundance that you have in your life. Feeling that energy spread to your fingertips and your toes, the edges of your skin, your face, the crown of the head. And just continue to breathe this pure light of gratitude into your body. And on the next few breaths, we're going to place the palm of our left hand on our heart and put our right hand on top of it, palms face towards the heart. And just take a few breaths being grateful for yourself. You're such a beautiful being, just being so grateful for all that you bring to this world, all the beauty. Breathe into that space, filling up your hands with your heart. Exhale, just receiving that gratitude for yourself. Just a few more breaths like that. And starting to relax your concentration, we'll bring the hands to heart center in a prayer-like pose. Touch the thumbs to the heart and lift your heart back up into the thumbs. Take a moment to bow the mind to the heart and thank yourself for allowing you to be in the highest vibrational state of gratitude. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining us for this meditation challenge. If you want to learn and be involved in all the ways in order to raise your vibration and feel really alive in your daily life, come join us for an amazing retreat at Anamaya Resort. We're going to be in Costa Rica at the beautiful resort. This is our 13th year holding a retreat at Anamaya because it's so magical, and we're going to be there from June 29th to July 6th. Our retreat is called Activating Yourself to the Highest Vibrational State. And we're going to be doing all kinds of tools and techniques in order to really elevate your system so that you can expand to your fullest self. Hope to see you there.